Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when you speak, understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone when you're nervous on the phone. I say I'm not home. See your face like it's my favorite song.
Is when I say I have a lot of unnecessary clothes that I don't use. This is what I mean. Like my whole closet, my whole bedroom is a mess because of these things. So I just want to like pick what I need, and what I don't need I can maybe give them out to people that need them more than me, because I feel like in this suitcase alone, let me show you guys the suitcase. Look at this suitcase. So this is the suitcase. Even the zip is spoiled because it's too full with a lot of things that I'm not using currently. Then I have this laundry basket that also has some clothes that I'm not using. Then there are those other ones that have been, they were on that, I put them under the shoe rack. Yeah, shoe rack. Some of them are bed sheets, my old lassos. Yes. So everything is in the living room. My battery had died. Everything is now in the living room. I have the suitcase that is so full. Guys, I hardly use these clothes. Like most of the clothes there, I've had them for some time. So I want to sort the clothes that I need from there. Then it's actually even messed up my suitcase. So I want to pick clothes that I need from there. Then most of these I believe are work clothes, and others are clothes that I don't use. Then these are clothes that I have kept and try to maybe give them out to some people. Of course, they are mixed with some of my good clothes that I put on, and then some of my bed sheets. I see my bed sheet, my bed cover. So yes, I just want to get picking, and I see which one still fits me and which one doesn't. We really have to. A little break. I am hungry. Hunger has made me take a little break. So I'm first going to have breakfast, then we continue back. So far I want to show you guys the progress. I'm watching movies also. Let me show you guys the progress. So I have these are extra towels and some bed sheets and some bed covers and some scarves. Then there I have pants. Those are pants that I still put on. Then behind there I have those are t-shirts. Shirts and t-shirts and long sleeve shirts. I hope they're called long sleeve shirts. Yeah, for work. Then down here, these are the clothes that I'm collecting to give out. Then these are my other clothes that have to join there. So I still have all that left with my suitcase that is messed. As you figure out a way, for now it looks like I've done less, but these are sweaters that I put on every day. I need sweaters. I don't want to mix them up with those because I'll mess them up every time I try to pick them up. So for now I am hungry. So guys, so breakfast is here. I have breakfast. I have 2 slices of bread. Then I have my leftovers from yesterday supper. It's rice, desserts, and then cabbage. Then this big cup, very huge cup of coffee. I got this cup from my mom. Yeah, very huge cup of coffee that I've made. So yes, I'm going to have this, then I doubt I'm going to have lunch. But let's see how the day goes, because I cannot really tell how I'll feel by lunchtime. It's so far, it's 9 in the morning. So let me have breakfast and we'll get back to what we are doing. There's a lot. There's like a lot. Yeah.
Being in love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me.
I am done. Finally, after some good hours, I have finally come to an end of this. So here are the clothes that I'll be giving out. These are my 2 sweaters, but these are the clothes that I have to find to like donate. Then these are my bed sheets, towels, bed cover. Then these are my clothes that I still put on. These are shirts, dresses, yeah, whatever. Then the other one behind, those are my pants and some party dresses, but they're all there. Sorry, I'm watching Game of Thrones. But yes, they're all there. I want to take you guys to the bedroom and I show you guys how that place is looking. But the suitcase is here. This is just there next to the door. It's finally empty and still dirty. I don't know if this is done. This was the main thing to do today. So now it's time to dive into the bedroom. I'll show you guys how it is looking like without any clothes. So literally, I didn't lay my bed. I just dropped everything on top of my bed. That's not how it looks like most times. But I dropped everything on top of my bed and I've removed all the clothes. This is how this place would be looking like without any clothes. It's a mess. I know it's a really bad mess and embarrassing. Why am I even showing you guys? Then I have this table here. I don't know what to use it for, but I just got it from home. So there's a baby crying in the background and I can't do anything about that. There's this table. I just got it from home, but yes, I decided to put it here until I can figure out what to do with it. Then that is me. I'm looking like it's a typical weekend. Yes, and also my plan is to remove this mirror from here, but I don't know where I can really put it exactly, where it can work for me properly, because there's no light, completely no light. I guess you can't even see my face here. I can't take any photos here because the lighting is not good. So yes, I just want to get to as I was saying, now today my goal is to remove 5 ways of putting that mirror, I think, here, because I feel like this is very good light here. Only that there is this a huge shoe rack. I've moved it there, brought it back here, but I think I'm going to just fix it here. Then I put my mirror here to be like a dressing area. Then I'll put my other clothes there. I don't know. This is a shoe stand that is taking up this space that would have really worked for the mirror. Let's just move things around and see how things turn out. For the shoes, I don't know which shoes. There are some shoes that I actually don't put on now, like this. These are very old, they are old. They are work shoes and they are old. I don't even put them on. Those I can't even give to anyone. I just have to burn them. I can't give to anyone because they are old. It will be even embarrassing. This side, like, so my aim is to use this small section. Like, I don't know if my mirror could fit here to really work.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. He always been faking me out.
I have measured it and my ceiling behind that, but yes, don't mind that. That's my ceiling. But yes, I have measured this place and the mirror doesn't fit, so like a section of the mirror will be covering a slight part of the window. I don't think I mind at this point because I've always felt like this mirror should be here and not there. This is what I'm talking about the mirror being here. So you see, it's going to, this section is going to touch the window there, so I'm only going to be left with this hole and this hole to work with. So this thing will be here, so I'll wake up and be seeing myself like but yes, I think my own mind tells me it's okay. Then I can use that space. That's the space I'm talking about. That's where the mirror was. Maybe I can put something else, like this table can be there, and can have some extra shoes and my bag when I come back, and this will just work here. This place just has very good lighting, very good lighting. But let me just get nails and hit this thing on the wall. I'm not going to take off those nails and those walls. Don't need me feeling. But yes, let's get to work. I'm getting already exhausted. So yeah, I've decided not to put it so close to the window, like putting it this close. I've decided to just fix it this side complete, because I have a feeling that with time I could keep moving this thing. I know myself, I'll keep moving it. So yes, my mirror will be here. I'm loving it here, though the space is still there. It's we're not focusing. Why? Again, to go on the window, it will cover my small window. I'm already fighting with less air in the room, so I've just decided to put it this side, because I have a feeling sometimes I can decide to move this thing. I know myself, most times I can move it here, I can move it the other side. So yes, my mirror will just be here. Let me clean the window, because yeah, it's embarrassing. I've seen a cobweb.
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only knowing me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I stay low-key, but I'm never lonely.
I'm cleaning this whole place. I have mopped. Look at my bed. I've had this table here. It's very old, very old. I wanted to dispose it off, or maybe like get a carpenter to work on it. Look at it. It's so old. I got it from home still. I tried cleaning it, but it did not change. So I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to like throw it away. It's just made of pure wood. This table here, I don't know, maybe I can do a DIY, which might involve me removing this upper part completely. So for now, I'm covering it with this cloth.
This kind thing with tomato. Oh no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. We become
So guys, I'm done with the bedroom. I'm done with everything. Fixed everything where I think it can work. I'll place the clothes, some of the clothes down here, the bed sheets, then my bed, just same position as usual. That one cannot move. Then yes, initially I'd say the other side I'm going to use it like a place for ironing, but my initial plan was to place the suitcase here, but I have failed. So, and the weather has also changed. It's raining heavily. Let me show you guys where I placed my my suitcase instead. So I've just placed the suitcase here until I figure out where I'm going to put it. But for now I don't have. And then this section is okay. I have a cup there because I use it as a candle holder at night when I don't have power. Yeah, So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for sticking around, for those that have stuck around up to the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. But thank you so much for joining me on this cleaning video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm actually planning on filming another video today. It's going to be a self-development video. So yeah, don't forget to hit the subscription button.